This was one of our latest kid creations using some recycled pieces that we had around the house. So my husband found all of these fittings in a $2 box lot at an auction probably a year ago, and he never had a use for them. And we had this little sink and we didn't have a use for that. So we figured out, and some extra wood from building a deck, old paint bucket from painting our deck, and last year at Lowe's we ended up getting this little baby pond pump on clearance for $5. So that's actually just recycling the water. Another auction find in the grab box. That's recycling the water back to the sink. If you did not have these parts, you could do it cheaper with a traditional sink. When we first did it, we didn't have it recycling back. We just hooked up the garden hose here to make sure that it worked. And then underneath came right out the drain. And then I had this coming into like a baby pool. And then I was watering my plants from it. But the recycling part of this has definitely helped be more conservative with water. Our kids do color experiments out here. They call it science experiments. That's why the water's pink. It was red food coloring that they were using. They're able to play out here. Both of these work. Two kids, no fighting. They each have their water coming out, and they're able to have their science experiment day using things that we had laying around our house that were not doing much good in a box in the shed.